Salam. I am Dr. Abdulhamid Al-Hasi. I'm an AGYA member and the Dean of Engineering at the University of Benghazi. In the past 2 days, we had a workshop about the bioinformatics in the Arab education system, where we had AGYA members, 16 AGYA members, and speakers from all over the world, having from Palestine, from Libya, from Jordan, from Tunisia, from Lebanon, and from Germany, and Switzerland. And we had also students from Egypt, we have from Palestine, we have students from Lebanon, Libya, and Tunis, and Ukraine, and in Italy. We gathered all those people, the students, the AGYA members, and the speakers for a 2-day workshop where we have been learning and raising awareness about bioinformatics as its applications, its importance, and how it is as a new science, being an interdisciplinary science, how it's important right now, having all engineers, how medical studies, biological students, informatics, all working together toward bioinformatics. And also through this workshop, we had a lab training, a laboratory training for the students at the Institut de Pasteur. And thank you very much.
The Bioinformatics workshop for Arab education lasted 2 days. In the first day, many international speakers and students discussed the scope of application of bioinformatics in health and diseases, like infectious diseases, rare genetic diseases, and drug design. In rare disease, where one individual among 2,000 people in the population is affected, the lack of information of the disease is responsible for the delay of the diagnosis and the appropriate management of the patient. Bioinformatics tools like population-specific genetic databases, tools that help to analyze the genome of the patient, and tools that also help to design specific drug must be developed. Therefore, bioinformatics is a key factor for precision medicine implementation. And for that, bioinformatics curricula must exist in every university, and especially in Arab universities. And this brings me to the second day, during which a discussion with a Tunisian team that implemented the first bioinformatics master in Tunisia identified the opportunities and the challenges. And this will help our colleagues from Libya to implement their own bioinformatics program in Libya. In addition, there was a second session for training the students, and the students analyzed for the first time biological data, and we hope that these students will consider bioinformatics in their future research and career.
I'm Nadine Yassin. I'm a medical student interested in bioinformatics. I have been aiming to pursue my further studies postgraduate in bioinformatics, and I am grateful for AGYA for allowing this experience and this opportunity for me to attend such sessions and lectures from very high experts in the field of bioinformatics and computer science and biology. These couple of days have been very fruitful, very full of information, and seeing the actual applying of the bioinformatics in the field of the science have been a great opportunity for me, and it even made me more interested and more eager to pursue my further studies in that.
My name is Dr. Joseph Rabahmed. I'm an assistant professor of bioinformatics at the Lebanese American University. So I was invited to give a talk by AGYA Association. So this was a workshop for 2 days. Very valuable information, very good speaker. So AGYA, it's typically like it's a very small family where everyone knows each other. It was very interesting for me to give a talk, to present part of my research, and at the same time to meet with various researchers around the world, especially in the Middle East and the MENA region.